Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the advanced picture settings. So at first we have to hold this button over here and click it to go into the circle settings menu and go right to the settings. Now we have to click on the button to go into the settings. And now you just have to wait a moment. Here, as you can see, we are in the picture, and we have to scroll down to advanced settings. Here we have to click on it, and here in the advanced settings we have brightness, color, clarity, response time, apply to all inputs, reset, and reduce blue light. So let's start with the first one. We have brightness. Let's go into it. Here we have the panel brightness, and if we click on it, we can modify our panel brightness, as you can see. Let's go back. Here we have motion eye care, gamma. We can manage our gamma settings, auto dynamic contrast. As you can see, black level, adjust, contrast, and our panel brightness. Let's go back. As you can see, these are all the settings that are available here. Motion eye care, which is disabled by default, gamma, auto dynamic contrast, black level, adjust contrast, and panel brightness. Apart from here, we have the color. We can adjust the color of our monitor. We have the color depth, tint, color gamut, fine tune, and white balance. If we click on it, we can manage our color settings. Here we have the clarity, and in the clarity we have the image sharpness. We can adjust the sharpness of our image. We can see here we have the super resolution, we have the low, and by default noise reduction, MPEG noise reduction, smooth radiation, real cinema. Apart from that, we have the response time here, and we can set the response time. Let's go into it. Here we have the response time: faster, fast, normal, or off. Here we can apply our all settings from brightness, color, clarity, and response time to our all inputs, which are HDMI, for example, which is our smart, as you can see, menu, which can be DisplayPort, etc. We can do this by just a single click. We can reset all the settings from our advanced settings, picture settings, by just a single click. Here, yes. And here, below that, we can reduce blue light by using a single click, as you can see. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.